3, 2, 1.
Nice!
Wow!
You did it. Okay, second try.
Hello there, today I'm switching up a bit and I'm thrilled to shine a spotlight on an initiative called Power of Care. This initiative salutes the unsung hero of our healthcare sector, celebrating their daily acts of compassion, commitment and care. Power of Care also introduced an innovative twist to gaming with a unique Fortnite custom map inspired by the landscape of Singapore. In this game, the objective isn't to eliminate opponents, but to collaborate and heal. For those keen to try out the map, I dropped the custom map details in the description below. And now just sit in and watch my girlfriend and I play this game. Let's go.
Look at that. Merlion.
Okay.
Merlion.
Wow, MBS.
Instead of killing,
Killing, the most
powerful
powerful
force here
force
is
is
healing.
healing.
Sharing the power of carry is the only way to win here. Collect chunks, splashes to throw on your partner. Red zone reduces your health. You understand or not?
Yes!
Okay, good. So who want to do what? You want to heal me or you want to go through?
I want to go through.
Oh, you want to go through? Okay, then I heal you. Okay, go through. So the first level easy lah. Yeah.
Then
you need to press the level.
Okay.
Okay, we can see what happens when I don't heal you when you go through the red zone. Let's go.
Okay.
Go
so
through red zone.
I'll just die.
Yeah. Next level. We played this level already, so it should be easy, right? So you want to throw or you want to go? You
I'll
throw
throw.
lah.
Yeah.
Ready or not?
Yes.
You sure or not?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's see whether you did do it right. Okay, not bad,
Yes.
not bad.
Do I have to come out? Wait. Okay, jump over.
Okay, come down over.
Oh no, I fell into water. Okay, wait.
Can Lisa jump the platforms? Let's see. The healing is not the problem. The platforms are the problem.
The jumping.
Okay, big jump.
Okay.
Okay, you did it. Okay.
Oh my god, I fell again.
Next area. Wow, this one, oh my god.
What?
You look at this, right? There's no platform here.
Okay.
So I gotta jump, right? In mid-air, you gotta throw it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, go wait, don't.
I think you throw first, then I jump. I think I can time it.
Okay.
I professional. This is first try. This is the furthest we've been. So we have not done this before, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I will say 3, 2, 1, throw, and then
Okay.
you time yourself there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is it hard?
Oh, I didn't know sideways jump was shorter. Okay, again.
3, 2, 1.
Nice!
Wow!
You did it. Okay, second
Okay.
try. I mean, first try.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Wow. Are we done?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Let's see. What is this? I think this one is you will get damage all the way. But the
Okay.
damage is like 1 per second or something. You can
Okay.
press shift to run fast.
Oh, okay.
And I have to keep healing you as many times as I can.
Okay, let's try.
So we're just gonna do it.
Alright.
Go! Hey, go on.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, I cursed. Oh my god, it's not enough. You have to throw it to me, I think.
Ah,
Oh,
go
yes.
lah,
Oh my
no
God.
problem. You think too much of the healing, you don't think about your jumping.
Okay, let's do it again.
Aiyo.
Go.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Let's just work together, not
Third-
solo yourself.
Third time's a charm.
Can run.
Okay, throw.
Hey, I know lah, you don't need to tell me.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Jump.
Oh.
Eh,
Oh my god.
cannot jump one. You think too much of the healing, you don't think about your jumping.
Oh my god. Now you know how I feel.
Oh, I know, I understand already. Okay, can.
Okay, wait. It's
I'm
okay.
here already.
Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Easy.
Okay, wait, let me heal you first. Hey, I have to jump. There's jumping now.
I'm just seeing whether I can finish this.
We got the healing. You do it? What? What the hell? Okay. Wait. I'll do the normal gamer
Yeah,
style.
you do the
okay?
normal
Okay, go.
normal way.
You missed?
I missed.
Oh no!
I actually hit.
Okay, wait.
Go, go, go.
I'm stressed. Okay.
Very good. Very good.
Yay!
Yeah, that's the proper way of doing
Wait,
it.
heal me. Okay, never mind. I don't think it matters. Wait.
Ah, we finished. We win.
Yes.
There's a second round actually.
Challenge
So-
1
Yeah.
completed.
So now the second challenge is, if I'm not wrong, an easy one. Single flyer.
So this is challenge 1.
Yes. There's 3 challenges if I'm not wrong. Oh, I think you're supposed to heal. I go through, right? There you go. Number 5.
Heal. Okay.
You don't need to heal now lah.
Oh yeah,
we
when it's
heal.
lower, right? Okay.
Wee.
Okay, I'll take note of the health.
Yeah.
We are
it's like
declaring at the same time, right?
3 then yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Heal. Okay, another one. Yeah. That's nice.
Oh,
Oh, fine.
okay.
Okay. You can heal us.
Now?
Yeah, heal. And go to the book. See the
So
art
fun.
size museum. Okay. Heal. Alamak.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, just overshot. Okay, heal. Go up.
Wee. So
I
fun.
go a bit too far.
Later.
Okay, next one. Let's see this.
What's this orange thing?
You go on it, you jump on it.
Oh. You always know you have a bandage bazooka.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wait for the platform to come. Platform come. Okay, need to heal
Ah.
Heal.
He missed! I
Yay.
missed! Oh, okay. Oh, I thought I missed.
Finish.
So it's your turn to heal me?
I think so. Okay.
Heal me first.
Go, go, go. Okay, next. Okay, I got it ready.
Wait!
Heal.
Bro! Wait. Okay.
Heal.
Wow. Wow, messy, sia.
Okay lah, can lah. Easy.
Okay, good.
Now experience the power for yourself. Choose a career as a healthcare professional. Yay. My YouTuber. My job is to spread the message of care to go beyond.
Fair enough.
I want to give a massive shout out to Power of Care for creating this unique experience and reminding all of us the importance of compassion and teamwork. If you enjoyed this video, consider trying the game out with the custom map by sharing and playing this map. The details are always in the description below. Thank you all for watching this video. Remember to appreciate all the small acts of kindness around and share the power of care in every way you can. Until next time, stay safe and I am done.